Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Patreon how to update payment information. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to update your payment information, what you need to do is just simply tap on the home web browser, and then once you're there in your search bar, type in patreon.com. Now once you're inside your Patreon, what you need to do is tap on the three horizontal bar on the top right, top left corner of the screen. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on settings. Now once you're inside your settings, what you need to do is swipe on the top bar, and then you'll find an option that says payment methods right here. Simply tap on that. Now if you want to change your payment method, what you need to do is just simply tap on the add payment method, then follow the on-screen instructions like name on your card details, and your billing, your postcode as well. And once all that's done, all you gotta do is delete your old payment method and simply save it. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.